Tablet on a budget segment. Let's start. So guys, we have Realme Pad with us and ये एक budget tablet है and it comes with a decent features in this price segment. So as you can see, it comes in a white box and Realme tablet का photo सामने imprinted है and branding is there in right and left side. If you look at the back side, कुछ specs highlighted है जैसे कि dolby atmos support करता है फ़ोन and it has that 10.4 inch IPS LCD display. 7100 mAh की बिग बैटरी के साथ आता है. Helio G80 का गेमिंग प्रोसेसर है येस एंड 8 मेगापिक्सल का अल्ट्रा वाइड कैमरा है बोथ इन फ्रंट एंड बैक. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट. सो ओपनिंग अप द बॉक्स हमें सबसे ऊपर पहले Realme पैड मिल जाता है. And by holding the tablet, I can say it's a lightweight tablet. Keeping it aside, let's see what else in the box. So we get a user manual here. Have the SIM ejector pin. And we have the 18 watt fast charger. It's good कि Realme 18 watt fast charger provide कर रहा है with a tablet and it has that USB A to USB type C port. So let's keep all things aside and see the Realme Pad itself. It comes with a metal unibody design and काफ़ी lightweight tablet and it feels and looks premium. If we look at the placement here, we have single camera in the back that is 8 megapixel. अगर हम right side में जाते हैं तो volume rocker दिया हुआ है and we have that 2 microphone in here and we have that SIM tray. Guys, one thing to note, 3 different variant में आता है ये. मेरे पास जो वेरिएंट है वो 464 वाईफाई प्लस LTE वर्जन है. एक 332 वेरिएंट आता है जो कि सिर्फ वाईफाई के साथ आता है एंड देयर इज़ वन मोर वेरिएंट 3+32 वेरिएंट with Wi-Fi plus LTE support. Currently I have 4+64 GB variant with Wi-Fi plus LTE, both are supported in this. So either you can use 2 SIM or 1 SIM and you can use micro SD card up to 1 TB. पीछे की तरफ हमें 2 स्पीकर ग्रिल देखने मिल जाता है and a USB type C port is there. And if you look at the left side, it left clean, कुछ भी नहीं है left side में. We have the Realme brand logo in the back side of the pad. Realme Pad feels like a compact tablet. Guys, one thing to note that Realme Pad 3.5 mm हेडफोन जैक के साथ आता है बट Realme ने बहुत ही वियर्ड पोजीशन पे जैक प्रोवाइड कराया है जो कि बहुत ही कॉर्नर पोजीशन पे है. Realme Pad स्लिम होने के कारण जो इन हैंड फील है वो काफ़ी अच्छा है. अगर मैं टैबलेट की डिस्प्ले की बात करूं तो ये 10.4 इंच IPS LCD स्क्रीन के साथ आता है. फुल HD प्लस के अबव का रेजोल्यूशन है बट इट्स लोअर देन 2K. इफ यू लुक एट द बेजल्स हियर, एक टैबलेट के हिसाब से इट्स नॉमिनल बिकॉज यू नीड सम बेजल इन टैबलेट. Like if you're playing a game or watching multimedia, you need something to hold on. Well, Realme Pad support Dolby Atmos and it has that 82.5 screen to body ratio and इसमें कोई 120 हर्ट्स या 90 हर्ट्स का रिफ्रेश रेट नहीं है, ये नॉर्मल 60 हर्ट्स रिफ्रेश रेट के साथ आता है. Well, the Realme Pad comes with Realme UI for Pad and it's basically a stock Android and it's totally clean. There's not a single bloatware in it. Currently it's running on Android 11. Well, the biggest highlight of Realme Pad is its 10.4 inches screen display. Well, it has that minimum bezels and watching media in this panel is a breeze, I must say. Just look at that display. It looks awesome. It's clear and sharp and vivid. As Realme Pad equipped with quad speaker, it has that great loudness and bass in it. Guys, वन थिंग टू नोट दैट जो Realme Pad का ब्राइटनेस लेवल है वो काफ़ी लो है. अगर आप आउटडोर में यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो इट डजंट गेट ब्राइट इनफ एंड यू मे फेस सम इशू लुकिंग इनटू द डिस्प्ले. Well, talking about the performance of the tablet, it comes with Helio G80 gaming processor जो कि 12 nanometer architecture पे based है. And I have played some casual titles and I have not faced any issue. Well, I have not played any heavy titles, so I'll be playing and testing that. I'll be sharing that in my full review. Well, talking about the camera, it has that 8 megapixel both in front and back, and the camera quality is just okay. Here are some samples you can look into. Realme Pad comes with 7100 mAh battery and it took me around 3 hours to fully charge the tab from 0 to 100%. बैटरी बैकअप काफ़ी अच्छा है Realme Pad का and I've got around 10 to 11 hours of screen on time in my regular usage. Well, as for first impression, Realme Pad seems very promising to me. So allow me to test the Realme Pad and come back to you with the full review. So stay tuned till that and make sure you hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.